In this video, you learn how to run Facebook ads with your smartphone. I'll walk you through how to set up your Facebook ads account step by step, from creating a page to creating an ads account, funding your ads account, targeting the right audience for your business, and publishing your ads. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you will not miss any important steps. First off, come to Facebook. You see this here on Facebook. Come to and click on this side. Come and click on it. Come to page here. On this side, you see if you don't have any page, these are pages you manage. It will be all blank. You will not see any. To create a page, you need to go to this side, create, get start, and start creating. Set up every information about your page, and your page will be auto valid. But note, make sure you start posting content on your page to warm up your page so that Facebook will find your page that is a real. So warm up the page, start posting 3-2. After you have done with the page, then you go to Play Store and download this app, Meta Ads Manager. If you download the app, you see the site where it has written open. Yours will be what installed. Make sure you install this app and then tap on open. Here is where we are going to start creating our ads. But before we start, we need to make sure we add a payment method. Payment method is where they are going to use to deduct or take money from. Come to this settings icon. In case you haven't added any payment method, you will see all this space, each word blank, and you only see billing and payment. Because I've added my payment method here, that's why you see here. So tap on billing and payment method. You see at the top they say fund, add fund, but we are not adding fund, we are adding our payment method. Then you tap on add payment method. If you are in Ghana, you don't need to use PayPal or add credit because PayPal is not valid here. If you don't have a credit card, you want to create some, I have a video and I'll put that video link in the description. So on this type, choose debit and credit card, the first one, and come to next. The first box is the name on the card, your name that is written on the card, and then the second one is the number, that long number that you find on your card. Then the third one is the expiring date, and then the last one is the CV number. After you've done with all these tasks, then you tap on saved to save it. After you've done with that one, come here, business info. So on the business info, you come to check in here and you see your country here. Choose the correct country, the country that you are living in. You choose that country and you set your currency. In Ghana, you cannot set any currency than use US dollars. So choose the currency and the time zone and the business name. If you don't have any business name, forget about, type on save. Creating the ads, you can choose the plus icon at the top there, or you can choose the create, and it takes me to my reason for creating the ad. This is very important. Make sure you pay good attention. The first part, it says your objectives, your aim, your purpose. What do you want to achieve for that ads that you want to run? So if you want engagement, the engagement means you want to get messages, video views. That's for content creators. That's likes, comment. That one you choose the engagement to know that they have a brand here, so people should check it out. For the traffic section, in case you want to drive people to your website, to see your website, to see your landing page, to see your Facebook event, you can choose the traffic section. List means you have a form that you want people to fill, and you will take their contact number, their email address, their names, and the rest. And mostly people who use email marketing choose that one. And we have the sales. You want people to purchase your product. And the last one is app promotion. Created an ad, you want people to download, to see the app, download and use. You can choose that one. For the sake of this tutorial, we will go for traffic. So I'll choose the traffic section. Creating ads on Facebook, we have 3 main stage that you need to go through. We have the first stage, that is the campaign. The second stage, that is the ad set, and the last one, that's the ads. And all these things, it has its reason for that. We will set our first one from the campaign, then we come to the asset, then as. So first as campaign name, let me set my campaign name. Make sure you name it so that you will remember in case you create as, and then hit on done. Come to this side, the specific as category, you can forget about that one. Budget per day and the rest too, forget about that one, and hit what next. Come to the asset, that one too, we need to set our name. Then you go back, the convention, this is very important. Where do you want to drive people who see your ads or view your ads? Where do you want to drive those people to? So is it your website or messenger? So I will urge you to choose the website. Messenger, it means you are driving people to your messenger to message you through Facebook Messenger. You can choose the website. So I will choose the website, and the schedule and the rest. Let's tap on this. Here you are going to set up your starting date, your starting time, your end date, and your end time. So if you look at it this side, if I toggle this one, I will set my end date. The ads set spend limit, forget about that one. Come to the audience. Here is where you are going to choose your location where you want the ads to run. So if you look at mine here, selected as Ghana. Okay, it means if I hit or leave it or just let everything normal like this, go to Ghana Street, meaning Ghanaians will see my ads. But you can change it and choose a specific country that you want to use. So in case I want to target a US audience, I'll just choose US. I'll just search for US. You will see the USA country. I just choose that USA country, and I can add more. In case I want a specific location in Ghana, I'll just choose that specific location in Ghana. If you come to the next styles, you will see hot, age, and styles. So you can set your age range. Let's say I want 22 years up to 50 years, then you choose that one here. The gender too, in case you want your ads for both men and women, can select all. You want for only men, just choose men and leave it. And we have the language. You can change the language or add different language to it. And we have the placement. So let's go on and set up the placement. For the placement, the recommended one, Facebook have chosen that for us, but let's set it manually. So for this, I come to the manual placement and choose that one. If you check here, you could see Facebook have already selected some for me. The first here is the device that I want my ads to run on. So in case I want only mobile, I'll just choose mobile. I want desktop, I'll just choose desktop. But for this one, I just want mobile. I want to limit my ads, so I'll choose mobile. The platform, we have Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and audience network. So which platform do you want to use? So I want to use only Facebook. I will uncheck Instagram and uncheck audience and uncheck Messenger. It means my ads will run on only Facebook. And you see here the feed section, Facebook has selected where my ads will run for me. So in case I don't want any of these places to, I'll just uncheck that one from the list. So that is how you can set your audience or the placement of the ads. So we have come to the ads where the magic is. So that's one, you see the ad name too, then you tap on it, you see, then we set our ads name, hit on done, come back, and the identity, I choose that one. So the identity, the kind of page that you want to use for the ads, the page that you want to use for the ads. So you have many page, or you are running it to your client, you can choose that page. Okay, so if I tap on this, I have so many pages here. I can select from any of these page and use it, run the ads. So let's say I choose the first page. If you have connected your Instagram to the page, it means you have access to use the Instagram here. If you haven't connected it, you cannot choose that one. Okay, you come to the ad setup. Let's choose that one. So for the ad setup, the first one is the ad creative. I choose that one. Use existing post. So it means maybe you have posted something or a content on your page and you want to use that content for the ads, the images, the videos, everything that you have, the content, the messages, the topic and the title, everything, then you choose the existing one. If you want to set it new, then you choose create as. The art format you choose, we have single image or videos, and we have the carousel. The single image or video, it means you use only one video that will explain everything about the ads that you run, the material or your product or what you are selling. It will explain everything. Or you have any flyer that is talking about what you are doing, then you can choose the single image. Carousels is a combination of images and video. You can choose that one. So for this video, we will choose the single image. Then I go back, then I come to the ad creative. So here is where you are going to choose the image that you want to use, your flyer, your title, your description and stuff. Choose the first one, that's the image. If you want to use image, choose the image. If you want to use the video, choose a video. So I will use image. Then we have the single image here. I tap on this, and if you look at this section 2, we have page images, camera roll, and we have the as images. So the page images means images that have been already posted on this page, and the camera roll images that you take it from your phone gallery, okay, from your device gallery. And we have the as image in case you have already run an as before and you have the images on the as, you can choose that one. This tutorial, I'll just choose page image and select, let me use this one. So I've selected that image. You see the image there, the headlines that you want to use. So let's say I'm running an as on online training course like boosting Facebook or boosting social media accounts. So if you look at this, you see my title, boost your online presence, and the parameters get 40% of our social media growing service. Our expertise team will help you increase your followers, engagement, and online visibility, and a lot of stuff. So once you are done, this is the primary test that will show on your ads. Okay, so the next one is website. I need to make sure I put my website URL, and I can use my WhatsApp's link to link people to WhatsApp's straightforward. In case they type on the website, it just directs them straightforward to my website, my WhatsApp. So if I use this one as my website, if someone come to this site and type on the website, it will just take the person straightforward to my website. Or if I have a WhatsApp group that I want to use, I can use that one. So once you have done, then you come back to the call to action. So on the call to action, what do you want to show there? So get offer means I have a discount for them, so they should come for that discount. After you've done with everything, then you click on preview. So if you look at this, and this is how my ads will show up. To get 40% off our social media growth service, our expert team will help you. Okay, and if you look at this side, it's a boost your online presence, and I have my thumbnail, that's my picture here. If the person hit on get offer, it just take them straight to website. If you click on view, you see your ads here, and you go straight forward and check everything that you made and see if everything is correct. Then you come to the publish section, hit on publish to publish your ads. And when you publish the ads, Facebook will take some few minutes to review your ads and see how your ads it, everything about it. In case they find everything good and you don't have problem with it, then they will publish your ads and you see your ads online. And once you are done with everything, find your ads here, and you can come forward and see the conversion, everything about your ads, how your ads is growing and stuff. If this video helps you, make sure you give me a like, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel.